everybody, I'm Gunnarolla, and today we're exploring another Loblaw Canadian food trend. This month is all about occasional indulgence because every now and then you deserve to have fun in the kitchen and treat yourself.
Treat yourself.
I'm here with Sylvia, and together we're gonna show you how to create 2 extravagant, decadent, delicious milkshakes inspired by 2 of our favorite travel destinations. You ready?
I was born ready.
Let's do it. So our first shake is inspired by the country we call home, Canada. And when I think of iconic Canadian desserts, at the top of the list,
We've got butter tarts.
we're gonna try to capture that buttery, caramelly,
Ooey gooey.
desserty,
Flaky.
brown. Now, are you more of a pecan or a raisin butter tart person?
I would say raisin. I just love like, why are you looking at me like I'm evil?
You think you know a person. First, we're gonna take some smooth peanut butter and spread it around the rim of our glass. Crush up some Cinnamon Toast Crunch and roll our glass in it. We're gonna set this aside, and it's time to make our milkshake. Our milkshake is gonna be 2/3 President's Choice vanilla bean base and 1/3 milk. All right, let's make some magic. Do you like it thick?
I like it thick.
She likes it thick, so we won't blend it for too long. Next, we're gonna take some President's Choice British Columbia strawberries fruit spread and slather it on the inside of the cup. Oh, look at that.
Oh my God.
Yo, that's thick. Now, my favorite part, we're gonna add some whipped topping, place our pecan butter tart, a maple marshmallow, and maple cookie. And if that wasn't Canadian enough, we're taking some Canada Grade A, very dark, pure maple syrup and drizzling it on top. Oh yeah, oh my God. And top it off with some crushed pecans. And there we go, our Canadian butter tart shake. We've got a vanilla base, some strawberry, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, peanut butter, maple, and of course, our butter tart.
Smells so good.
Yeah.
I wish you could smell this right now.
It's really good.
Wait till we taste it.
Our next shake is inspired by Japan. It's a candy sushi milkshake, and we're gonna start by making Rice Krispie squares. But since we're short on time, we got the pre-made kind. To make candy sushi, we're gonna flatten our Rice Krispie treats, add some gummy ingredients, roll it up, and slice it into maki sushi. For our nigiri sushi, we're gonna cut our Rice Krispie treat into 3rds, place our gummy fish on top, and tie it all together with our fruit snack seaweed. All right, look at our sushi. This turned out way better than I thought
know,
it would.
I'm so proud of us. Try that.
Oh my God. Real good. Okay, move on to the next step now. For this shake, we're rimming our cup with marshmallow fluff. Then we're gonna roll it in crushed Oreo cookies, pour in our vanilla milkshake mixture.
Milkshake brings all the boys to the yard.
Is that true?
I don't think so.
Place some matcha Kit Kat as a base and put your sushi on top. And there you have it, our 2 milkshakes. Canadian butter tart, Japanese candy sushi, super Instagrammable, super fun to make. Let's see if they're super delicious. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh,
Super thick.
that vanilla bean.
Oh, wow.
I wanted to drink the flavor.
I got a nice big sip of the jam that's in there.
Oh my gosh.
This is huge.
There's a lot going on.
Your favorite pecan.
I'm impressed. We got the right combination of flavor. So lots going on here. Not something I could have every week, but
Definitely not.
maybe once a month.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you feel like occasional indulgence, this is the treat for you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being a part of this.
Thank you.
I'll see you again next month for another Loblaw Canadian Food Trend.
Cheers.